we got a few various units on a commercial property that I haven't ever looked at before. But here's that number of them are heat pumps, just looking at this data panel right here real quick. And I don't see the reversing valve in there, but it says it's a heat pump, so I'm gonna trust that. Let's see who made this guy real quick. This guy is a Trane. There's a look inside the unit. 2 fan blades are actually still shaped. Well, as you can see, it's a heat pump 13. The manufacturing date was June of 2014, so this is a rather recent unit. Model number is 4TWB3024D1000AA. Serial number is 14242GU74F. I wonder if actually if that was the unit this guy replaced. Then we've got a Rheem Classic Series unit here. He is from 2006. The model number is RPNE-018JAZ. Serial number is 7343M18062171. Then we've got a unit right here that's running. He is a Trane, as you can see. It's a heat pump, of course, since it's running. It's a Trane Heat Pump 13. Made in 2013. The model number is 4TW B3030C1000AA. Serial number is 1324255J4F. There's a compressor down there as well. Very quiet. Can't really hear the fan at all. And we've got a Trane XR 14 here. As you can see right there, it says XR 14 on it. Well, actually, it just says XR here, which is kind of odd. I've never seen one say XR. That's an XR 14 according to that panel. The model number is 4TW R4030D1000AA. Serial numbers 14403G7N5F. Made in October of 2014. I don't see a reversing valve in him, but he's probably a heat pump based on that model number, if I recall correctly. He's got 2 fan blades. Never looked at the name tag there. Then we've got a couple more Tranes here. As we can see, they're both heat pumps, as it says right there on that guy. The other guy's probably also a heat pump. 2 fan blades on both. Don't see any visible reversing valves. I mean, unless there's the reversing valves in there. And we've got this guy's a heat pump 13. That's model number is 4TWB3024D1000AA. Made in June of 2014. And then we've got the other Trane heat pump. He says it's a Trane right there. And this must have blown from the Huntsville City Schools warehouse over there. It's another heat pump, but it's not a heat pump 13. It's just a heat pump. Made in 2012. The model number is 4TWB3024C1000AA. Serial number is 12275TLU4F. Made in July of 2012. So yeah, we've got a few Trane heat pumps and a Rheem heat pump. Well, I believe it's a Rheem heat pump here at this, I believe, some law offices here in Huntsville, Alabama. Over and out.